Hello and welcome to our sixth video on comparison between even and odd linear functions. My name is Samira Abdulyaman. First, I will list on the first row the general formula for linear functions. And there are two types, which is even and odd. This is the general formula for both functions, and even and odd. Our comparison excludes functions that are neither even nor odd. So for this comparison, we're only talking about even and odd. So example for even is f of x is equal to b. An example for odd is f of x is equal to x. For the domain for even, it's all real numbers, and the domain for odd is also all real numbers. The range for even is one real number, and the range for odd is all real numbers. For the slope for even is 0, and the slope for odd is 1. Why? Because the example is f of x is equal to b. So that's why the slope is 0. But when you go to the odd, the example is f of x is equal to x. There is an x, which means that there is one slope, the constant b or m. The constant for even is all real numbers, and the constant for odd is 0. The symmetric about for even is the y-axis, and the symmetric about for odd is f of x is equal to negative x. Transformation. For even, x will transform into negative x, and for odd, x will transform into negative x, and f of x will transform into negative f of x. So number of functions for even is infinity, and number of functions for odd is 2. This is one function. The other function will be f of x is equal to negative identification test. For even, f of negative x is equal to f of x, and for odd, f of negative x is equal to negative f of x. Result of changing b or m. So for even, changing b or m results in different even function. And for odd, result of changing m is neither even nor odd function. If you want further explanation on any of the subjects I discussed, please refer to our other videos on linearization functions, even linear functions, and odd linear functions. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.